Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD guys. Yesterday guys we were buying this. We broke below zone, but we came back inside and turned that support back, which we broke back into support. And once we did that, we turned this resistance into support as well, and now we went on to hit a bullish target. So guys, for today, as long as the price is above 1.36721, guys, I am still buying. And guys, my first target would be 1.37153, and guys, my next target for today would be 1.37805. And guys, if we break below this, I would start selling. And guys, my first target would be located at 1.36245. Guys, after that, I would go for something like 255. I would just go for 1.35901. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow.